Hi Scorpio, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a money and work reading for you today. This is going to be my first. So one of my subscribers suggested I do one, and I thought, yes, why not? We're all stuck in this COVID and going through a financial crunch. And to be honest, Scorpio, money and love are two energies, right? Energies that we can either block or we can attract. So I thought, yes, oh wow. Ten of Pentacles came out, Scorpio. What's happening here? Let me put this here. So these are two energies that we can attract or block. So I thought, let's see how tarot can help all of us to see what we can do to attract it towards us. So these are general collective readings, okay? They're not going to resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. And thank you all my subscribers. My channel is beautifully growing. It's our channel, it's your channel, it's Spirit's channel. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me the strength to continue. And if you're new here, this is a small Omkara family. Do join us. And we meet here weekly for all kinds of readings, love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, and now money and work as well. So, Nine of Swords, bottom of my deck. Are you worried about money, Scorpio? Let's see. So if you're new here, do subscribe and join us. We'd love to have you here with us. We welcome you. The Empress in reverse, having a little lack of growth right now. In the past, you were in the King of Swords energy and coming up in the Four of Pentacles energy. So yeah, in the past you were doing pretty okay. You were in control of your finances. You felt like you had everything under control and you didn't need to worry about anything, right? At the moment, I think, yeah, and you were like charging ahead, right? Like in the past energy, the King of Swords and the Chariot, you were like totally in control of your work, your money, your finances were good, and you felt like nothing is going to stop me now. I'm going to continue this way, and nothing is going to like bother me. At the moment, I see you a little bit upset. I see you a little bit upset, angry, because suddenly I think this growth has kind of come to a standstill. Yeah, you feel, even though there is a lot of love around you, you love the work you do as well, maybe, right now you're not feeling in control, right? You're not feeling you're able to manifest the kind of abundance that you want to, or the growth that you expected to find or see in your life has not really come about. Maybe because of the times we're going through, maybe the COVID has kind of affected your work or your business. Right now, yeah, you are feeling pretty down and out at the moment. But are trying to release, trying to get rid of, whatever things that went wrong and put a damper on your work and money. You're trying to get out of this mess you feel that is created because of no forward movement and no growth, right? So right now, I think you may be at home with your family and you're trying to conserve every penny that you have, to move ahead. We see again, Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles, okay? So your money may be tight right now and you're trying now to think of some creative ways to kind of, so you don't have to be in this stagnant place and just waiting around. What can I do that I'm not stuck here? I want to let go of all these burdens that I've been carrying and all these sword energy that's been in my back of no growth. What can I do to, kind of move forward in a progressive way now? But right now, even in the month of August, I say that whatever money you have with you, you're trying to really protect it and keep it like safe. Okay, you're saving. This even in the household maybe, which may be taking up a lot of your pentacles, you are being a little careful about the spending here, even though you may be portraying to your family everything is fine and don't worry and we are all set and whatever. I see you middle of the night waking up and worrying, right? You're really worried because you don't know what am I going to do now. Where is the forward movement going to come from? Because you feel now you have lost control of maybe the incoming of money right now. So let's see how we can help. Spirit is saying right now you're holding on very tight to the fact that yes, the money is not coming in. Right? Spirit is saying right now you are so concentrated on what is not working in your life. See this Eight of Pentacles in reverse, right? You feel that what's the point of my putting in work when things are not going to happen? So Spirit is saying you're holding on very tight to this energy. Instead of being in that energy, Scorpio, try and shift your energy to this. Whatever little happiness you can find, within your family, friends or relatives or whatever, even if it's, just a small ice cream party or something that you can, spread around your home, just do that and play music, which is free, right? And dance a little bit and clear the energy of feeling sad all the time. And very soon you'll see that fast forward movement will begin again in your life. But till you're stuck in this energy, Scorpio, of nothing is going to work out, it's going to be a blockage in your attracting money. Let's see, Scorpio, what is it that you should let go of? Let go of this. Let go of being in hermit mode and, hiding maybe in your home and saying nothing is ever going to happen and what's the point of even talking to anyone. Call your friends, chat a little. Okay, and mix around with whoever you can, at least your immediate family. Watch a nice, comedy movie on Netflix or something tonight. Call up your best friends and chat with them, send them some funny jokes. Don't stay in hermit mode all the time. Spirit is saying, let go of this feeling. Yeah, let go of this feeling also. That, I cannot move forward ever again. There is nothing exciting left for me to do in this world anymore. Maybe you're going through a bit of a depression. So what is going to be your biggest hurdle in attracting money? Six of Swords. Spirit is saying that right now, even though things may be a bit in, hot soup right now, maybe troubled waters, as Six of Swords is saying, but this conflict is only in your mind, right? You have to get out of this feeling of feeling conflicted and maybe even arguing with your close ones, because that is going to rock your boat. You have to move into calmer waters, keep a peaceful atmosphere around you, and don't interact with anyone who can bring conflict into your life. Don't let this energy, get soiled by any aggression. So how do people see you? They see you as the Hanged Man in reverse. You I think hiding it pretty well, Scorpio. They see you as you're not bothered. You're really not bothered, and you are saying, okay, let karma play its part, and I am going to now have a fresh new beginning. So big deal if something didn't go right. I'm going to still move forward and have a brand new beginning. But people can see under that, cloak or this mask that you're putting on. Even though they see you as trying to be brave, they do see that you are stressed out. Okay, so all your hiding and putting that mask on is really not working, Scorpio. People understand that you are right now in your own little stress-filled world. Okay, let's see what Spirit's secret advice to you. Ace of Pentacles. This is Spirit's secret advice. So let's see why this is your secret advice. Spirit, why is the Ace of Pentacles secret advice for my Scorpio? Okay. One more, Spirit. Two many cards. Should I keep them? Okay. So, Spirit secret advice here, Cancer, Scorpio, is that brand new beginnings. Sorry, Scorpio, I lost electricity for a second and I had to re-begin, but I'm still in the same position as you see. And that could be a sign, right? So even though things really dimmed out for a bit in your life, Scorpio, nothing is going to last forever. Like the light came back immediately on. New beginnings are coming for you in work, in money, right? Look at this beautiful new pentacle. Okay, so fresh new beginnings are coming for you very soon, and your work is going to take off in a very, very healthy, good place where once again you will be in that spot where you will be accumulating one by one all your pentacles once again. There will be some news or some message. Look out for a message that's going to come your way for maybe some work. And don't be closed off, okay? Don't be closed off to feel that it's not going to work, nothing's going to work for me. Right now, things are quiet. You may not see it coming in this High Priestess energy. Things are still to be unveiled, okay? Even though you can't see it, it's coming. Please expect some kind of news or phone call or message and email with this energy to maybe invite you for something which is going to give you lots of success. That's beautiful. So just like, the electricity went off and we felt, oh my God, the readings come to an end, but it didn't, right? Electricity came back, and here we are back and finished our beautiful reading. So let's see what the angels have to bless you, Scorpio. Right now, Scorpio, you have only one job, okay? I know you've been praying a lot. You've been worrying and praying. So, universe is saying, we've heard all your prayers. Don't worry. Be very, very confident. Be very confident that things are going to absolutely turn around in your favor once again. Right now, all you have to do is look after your health. Okay? Maybe this is a downtime where you're supposed to look after your health. If you're not healthy, what are you going to work and what are you going to earn? So be very mindful about your health at this point. Very soon, you'll be flocked. You'll be flocked with offers. Right? People are going to be drawn towards you and you'll get so many offers, you won't know which one to pick. And why I'm saying that is because of this. You're going to choose the best one, and it's going to give you grounding and safety once again where you'll be back at work. Okay? So take care, love and light, and I'll see you next week. Namaste to all of you out there.